In Western herbalism, the concepts of tonics and tonifying herbs are integral to promoting health and restoring balance within the body. While these terms are sometimes used interchangeably, they possess distinct meanings and applications. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. Defining tonics and tonifying herbs in Western herbalism. In Western herbalism, a tonic is an herb or preparation that strengthens and invigorates the body, enhancing overall vitality and well-being. Tonics are typically used over extended periods to support the optimal function of specific organs or systems. They are often rich in nutrients and work by nourishing the body, thereby improving its resilience against stress and disease. Tonifying herbs, on the other hand, are those that impart tone to specific tissues or organs, effectively strengthening and supporting their function. These herbs can be astringent, causing tissues to contract and become firmer, or they may provide specific nutrients that enhance the tone and functionality of an organ or system. Tonics as constitutional treatments. Tonics play a pivotal role in Western herbalism as constitutional treatments, meaning they are used to support the overall constitution or foundational health of an individual. Rather than addressing acute symptoms, tonics are employed to build and maintain health over time. They are particularly beneficial in cases of chronic fatigue, convalescence, or general debility, where there is a need to restore strength and vitality. Examples of tonic herbs and their effects. Nettle, Urtica dioica. Nettle is a highly nutritious herb, rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly iron. It acts as a general tonic by nourishing the body, supporting kidney function, and improving energy levels. Regular consumption of nettle tea or infusion can help rebuild vitality, especially in individuals recovering from illness or experiencing fatigue. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale. Dandelion serves as a liver tonic, promoting detoxification and supporting digestive health. Its bitter compounds stimulate bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats and the elimination of waste products. By enhancing liver function, dandelion contributes to overall metabolic balance and energy. Examples of tonifying herbs and their specific actions. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Yarrow is known for its astringent properties, making it effective in tonifying and tightening tissues. It is commonly used to tone the vascular system, helping to regulate blood flow and reduce excessive bleeding. Yarrow's tonifying action on the circulatory system supports overall cardiovascular health. Horsetail, Equisetum arvense. Rich in silica, horsetail is utilized to tonify connective tissues, including skin, hair, nails, and bones. Its high mineral content strengthens these tissues, promoting healing and structural integrity. Horsetail's tonifying effect is particularly beneficial in conditions involving weakened connective tissue or slow wound healing. In Western herbalism, understanding the distinctions between tonics and tonifying herbs is essential for their effective application in promoting health and well-being. Tonics are employed as constitutional treatments to enhance overall vitality and support the body's systems, while tonifying herbs specifically strengthen and impart tone to particular tissues or organs. Incorporating these herbs into daily practice under the guidance of a qualified herbal practitioner can significantly contribute to maintaining balance and enhancing the body's resilience.